Welcome to the Tables Made Super Easy series again. Today we will learn to make the tables of 13 and 14 super easy for you. Let's start with the number of 14. We will need, as always, for even numbers, two squares of 4 boxes. Alright. Let's take the brush. Alright. This is the first square of 4 boxes. This one is second square of 4 boxes. Now let's fill the first digits of the table for 14. That will be even numbers, of course. 0 will go again at the bottom, 2 will go in the left column of the first square from bottom and at the bottom, and 4 here. So we have filled the first column from bottom to top, and 6 will go in the second column and 8 will go in the second column at the top. You have to remember this arrangement, alright? Where to start? You have to remember where to start the filling. Watch it carefully. I am doing it again in the second square. 0, 2, 4 will go in the left column, from bottom to top. 6 and 8 in the right column, again from bottom to top. Now these are the first digits of the table of 14 up to 10 multiplications. Now the other digits, we will add the other digits also, and they will be we will start with, they will be filled from the top row from left to right. All the numbers, the second time, the digits we add the second time will be from the top row of any box, any square, from the top row, from left to right also. So this pattern will be prevalent in all the tables. So 1 and 2 will go in the first row. We will skip 3, 4 and 5 will go in the second row. First 1 and 2 went in the top row, and 4 and 5 went in the bottom row. We skipped 3, alright? and after 5 it is 6, skip 6, and 7 will go at the bottom with 0. This completes the other digits up to 5 multiplications for the table of 14. Now after 7 it is 8. Next number is 8. You skip 8. No, you don't have to skip 8. Actually, you will write 8. 9. 8 and 9 in the top row of the second box, and skip 10. 11 and 12 will go at the bottom row of the second square. Skip 13 and 14 will go to the bottom with 0 to make the table of 14 complete up to 10 multiplications. What is happening? Okay, let's read the table. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, and 14 tens are 140. This completes our table up to 10 multiplications. If you want to go further from 10 multiplications, you will have to make two more squares of 4 boxes. And follow the pattern as we did here. All right. Now construct two more squares of 4 boxes each again. Complete the first digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Remember our last number. Okay, this completes the first digits of the table up to 20 multiplications. All right. Of course, they are the same in groups of 5. 5 even numbers in the first square, 5 in the even numbers, the same 5 even numbers in the second square, the same are in the third square, and the same group is in the fourth square also. All right. So remember our last number, it was 14. Next number after 14 is 15. It will go in the first entry of the third square. And its top row. 16 will go here. We'll skip 17. 18 will go here. And 19 will go here. We will skip 20 and 21 goes here. Alright. 22 here. 23 here. 24 will be skipped. Okay. Oh, all right. 22, 23, 23, 24 will be skipped. 25 and 26. 27 will be skipped. Here it will be 28. This completes our table of 14 up to 20 multiplications. Let's read it again. 14 11s are 154. 14 12s are 168. 14 13s are 182. 14 14s are 196. 14 15s are 210. And 14 16s are 224. 14 17s are 236 38. And 14 18s are 252. 14 19s are 266. 14 20s are 280. Here completes our table of 14 up to 20 multiplications. I hope you enjoyed this video, and go. It's okay to learn things at any stage of your life. If you don't see fit for you, you can teach them to your kids, your siblings, your students. If they find it very difficult to learn the tables by writing them in the traditional way. Alright, and all the best. See you next time with another video for table of 13. All the best.